Hello, how are you all? Today I'm going to tell you letter G story, G sound story. And what is the sound of letter G? It's G. Okay? So, these are my glasses and this is my book. I put on my glasses and I open up my book and I'm going to tell you G sound story. So be ready. There is a girl. Her name is Geetu. Geetu is sitting in the garden. She's gazing at the greenery. She's seeing all the green things around. She's seeing all the green things around. There are many green trees in the garden. There is a pond in the garden and one goose is swimming in the pond. The other goose is standing outside the pond. And a toy gun is lying on the ground. The gardener is watering the green grass. There is a goat standing near the gate. Also, there is a goldfish in the fish bowl. Goldfish is swimming in the fish bowl. Oh, wow. Geetu is sitting on the garden chair. She loves eating green, juicy grapes. Do you like grapes? A glass of water is also lying on the table. Geetu is so glad to see her grandmother. Geetu's grandmother has come to meet her. She has brought a gift for her. Geetu greets her grandmother. Good morning, Grandma. How are you? Geetu and grandmother played many games and Geetu is so glad today. She had a good day with her grandmother. So the story ends. And if you like the G sound story, give me a thumbs up. Have a good day and I will come back soon with so many stories and poems for you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and don't forget to like and share. Okay? Good day. Love you.